I had a neighbor once that had a fluffy, curly-haired dog with really messy hair. Couldn't brush it out or anything. So I thought today I would try to figure out how to make that particular brush. And the first attempt, things just were too dim. So I ended up making the brush a little bit thicker. You can see here it's taking a lot of effort to fill that in. So I thickened it up and it covers much better now. You can use this brush to make traditional paintings or use it as a fur brush. It's not bad at all. Alright, so what we're going to do is try to replicate this brush that I just figured out how to make, and let's have fun. So I've changed my brush color to white and my background to black, and we're using the technical pen, which I copied over into its own little thing. Didn't really change anything. I just made it a little bit larger here. I've got it set to 25%, and what we're going to do is create a spiral shape that's thinner at the top and the bottom and thicker in the middle. And you notice it tapers at the beginning and the end there. And then what I want to do is center this. And then we're going to duplicate it. I'm going to flip it horizontally and then rotate it 45 degrees twice. So you hit this flip horizontal right here, and then you tap on the rotate 45 here in the middle twice. And just in case I want to keep this, I'm not going to merge these layers together. I'm going to turn off the background color. Then I'm going to go up here to the wrench/spanner. I'm going to go over to add, and I'm going to choose copy canvas here, second from the bottom. And then I'm going to turn off both of my layer 1s and create a new layer, that's layer 3. And let's go into our hair and fur, and we're going to click on the plus sign, go to shape, click on the edit, choose import, and then all the way down here at the bottom we click on paste, tap anywhere outside to close that import menu, and then click on done. And then I'm going to change the rotation right here all the way up to follow stroke. We're going to give it a scatter of 17%. And then because I want this brush to have lots of volume, I'm going to change the count right here to 6. And I'm also going to click on this flip X down here. And you can see already it's getting really bright. So let's go over here to rendering. And I'm going to go from intense glaze to light glaze. That way it won't end up wiping itself out. Let's go to color dynamics. I'm going to change the lightness to 20. I'm going to change the darkness to 20. I'm going to change the secondary color to 80. And then we'll go down to Apple Pencil And then up here at opacity, I want to turn that all the way down to none. We'll go down to properties next. I'm going to turn off the orient to screen. And then down here where maximum size is, I'm going to change this to 400. We'll go to about this brush, and I'm going to call this Messy Curl. Create a reset point. Click on Done. And right now, my primary color is white, and my secondary color is black. So when I use this brush, default at 51%, you can see every time I tap, it's actually creating 4 stamps. I'm sorry, 6 stamps. And that means that whenever I'm using the brush, it volumes up pretty darn quick. And let me see, I'm getting this extra bit right around the edges. I wonder if that's because I flipped one of my layer 1s here. Let's clear that. I'm going to flip this one back this direction. Add, copy canvas. We'll turn those off. And let's go back over to the hair and fur. I'm going to duplicate Messy Curl. Go to Shape, Edit, Import, Paste. Click on Done and Done, and see if we still get that edge. We do, and it's actually worse. All right, so the way we did it was good. We might want to change our top and bottom curls so they're not quite so curved around. Flip that, rotate 45. And yep, copy canvas. Turn these 2 layer 3s off and create a layer 5. Go down to the hair and fur. I'm going to take Messy Curl 1 here. Edit, import, paste. Give that a done. And I'm still getting that edge. But it's not a space and then the curl. And if I tap going around, that seems to take care of it. All right, so there you go. Quick and easy. I showed you my process for making the brush, how I figure these things out, and even demoed some nice pictures for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you have a wonderful day.